it is, tornado.
Get up here a little bit.
Hold on, no.
It's right there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's right there. It's literally right there.
Oh my gosh.
Tornado right there. It's right here. It's right here. It's right in front of us. It's right in front of us. We got debris. We got debris. This gas station is about to get hit. Wow. There it is. Oh, there it is. We had debris flying at us. Tornado's right in front of us.
Oh wow, look at the debris.
Yep, there it is. We got debris. Holy cow. Wow. Look at it. Look at the debris. Look at the debris.
Oh jeez.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah. We got debris. It's right here. It's right in front of us.
Crazy.
We're getting hit with debris.
And the hail.
Wow.
Whoa. Oh my god. Oh goodness.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. Whoa.
Oh, here it is.
Cold. Whoa.
We are inside the tornado right now.
Oh. Please don't break my windshield. Whoa.
Okay. It's just a weak tornado. It's not very big. It is weak.
Yeah. Easy with the hailstones, please.
We're on the back side of it because I'm my freaking air. Okay, this tornado is still moving east. We gotta get back to 60. Oh, there it is.
Oh goodness. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we are on the back side here. We're still kind of in this. There's debris. Okay, there's the